In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use deep research with ChatGPT. This is a powerful tool for diving deep into complex topics with the help of an AI assistant. Let's begin by navigating to the ChatGPT section of the OpenAI website. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to locate and click on the login button in the upper corner. It's usually quite visible and straightforward to find. If you don't have an account, this is where you'll need to create one. Otherwise, go ahead and click to log in. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to a dashboard with various options. Here, you'll need to click on the section labeled ChatGPT. This area allows you to initiate conversations and inquiries with the AI. Selecting this option will bring up the interface where you'll be conducting your research. Now that you're in, you'll see an option called Deep Research. Click on it to start using this specific feature. It's a robust function within ChatGPT that's geared toward comprehensive exploration of topics, enabling you to unearth detailed insights and information. Next, it's time to input your prompt. This is where you'll need to be clear and specific about what you're looking to explore. The more precise your prompt, the better the responses you'll receive. Type your query into the input box, focusing on clarity to kickstart the research process effectively. Once your prompt is ready, it's time to activate the AI's response by clicking Enter or using the arrow up button, typically located near your text input field. This action signals the AI to process your request and begin generating information based on your prompt. Now, you should see a confirmation of your input, like an acknowledgement from ChatGPT. This might simply be a repetition of a key term from your prompt, such as a reference to country if that was part of your query. This step ensures that your prompt was correctly registered. After the confirmation, you'll need to wait briefly as the AI processes the information. This moment of anticipation is when ChatGPT gathers and organizes data to provide a detailed response tailored to your needs. Patience is key here, as the system works to understand and respond to your request. When the AI completes its processing, a result will be displayed. Your next step is to click on this result. This opens up the detailed response generated by ChatGPT, giving you access to all insights tied to your initial prompt. Lastly, if you wish to keep a copy of the information for future reference, highlight all the text in the response and utilize the copy function. This ensures you have all the necessary details handy for later use, making your research process seamless and efficient. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively use deep research with ChatGPT to conduct thorough and detailed explorations of various topics. Thanks for watching, and happy researching!